If your second monitor isn't working with a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station, the problem is usually related to connection issues, outdated drivers, incorrect display settings, or insufficient power to the dock. Dual monitor setups rely on proper communication between the laptop, dock, and displays. When one part of that chain fails, the second monitor may show a black screen or not be detected at all. Fortunately, most cases can be fixed quickly by checking cables, updating drivers, and adjusting display settings. Step 1. Check that all monitor cables are firmly connected to the docking station and monitors, and confirm the dock has enough power. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers and docking station firmware using Lenovo Vantage or Device Manager. Step 3. Open Windows Settings, then System, then Display, and choose. Extend these displays so both monitors are used. Step 4. Test different HDMI or DisplayPort cables and ports on the dock to rule out faulty connections. Step 5. Restart the laptop and dock, and if the issue remains, update your laptop BIOS or contact Lenovo support.